Hey, Happy New Year's, everyone. My name is Tashawn Lawrence. I'm a part of D Level Up in Tech. I'm on the September 2024 cohort, and I'm on a great team as well. So in today's video, we'll be creating a very unique project. And that unique project, we'll be creating a Lambda function to stop a EC2 instance. Not just one, not but just two, but three EC2 instances. And I will walk you all through the steps to bring this project to life. So I just need you all to strap in your seats and stay tuned. So the first thing we'd like to do here is to go ahead and get it done and out the way is to create three instances. So we will create three here. We'd like to click on launch instance. And for the number of instances, we will choose 3. And we're done here. So we'll let it name our instance. We're going to name it Joe_Burrow. So guys, if you haven't noticed, if you haven't been paying attention to the NFL, in my honest opinion, I think Joe Burrow should be the MVP. But we'll come back and discuss that later. So, we're good here. We'll come down. No, we do not need a key pair. We'll continue to scroll on down. And guys, that's pretty much all you need just to launch an instance right here. Because we're just running a trial. We're just doing a test here just to make sure everything works. So, we're going to launch our Joe Burrow instances and we're going to be good. We are going to be good. So we have successfully launched our instances here, and here are our instance IDs. These are going to be very important for our Lambda function. So we'll come back to our console home tab, and we'll like to come back to our search bar and type in Lambda. So we'll wait till it loads. So now that we're here, we'd like to create a function. So guys, yes, we want to start from scratch, and we're going to name our function Joe_Burrow. And for our runtime, we're going to be using Python code, so it's very important for us to make sure we choose Python. So you can select either or, but we're going to roll with Python 3.9. And we're going to scroll down here and create function. And we're going to wait till it loads. And now it has successfully loaded. And we successfully created our Joe Burrow function. So guys, our next important step here is to upload our code. So we're going to import Boto 3. And Boto 3 is pretty much the bridge gap between Python and AWS, right? So that means Python will be able to use AWS services. So now we will come down here and delete this code here, because it really don't serve a purpose there. So we're going to upload our code. So we're going to come back here. And there we go. We're good. So I can show you all where I got this example from, and it will really be helpful. So I come in this tab here and just type in Boto 3, and on Google it should pops up. So I back out, and you want to make sure you're on the EC2 Instance service. And you can scroll down here and find it, and it's going to take a while. But hey, you catch my drift, or you can just type it in here and it should pops up when you search it. But since we're already here, I'm just going to show you guys how you should find certain stuff to help you out when you're using Boto 3 for Python. So we're going to type stop_instances, and here we are. And you want to scroll all the way down to the example, and it shows you a lot of important information like parameters and all the stuff that you need. But you want to copy and paste this here because it's already pretty much set up for you. But we're going to tailor it a way that it works for us. So we'll come back to our function. Since it's already tailored, that's all we really needed. So where it says, sometimes when you copy and paste the code, it will say client right here. But you just need to change that and put it to EC2. Because EC2 is calling our EC2 service, and that will get us up and running. So now, only thing we need now, people, is our instance IDs. And we're going to be pretty good. So only thing we got to do now is just go and find our instance IDs. So we're going to get our instance IDs. So we're going to get this one. We're going to copy that. And we're going to delete this and paste the ID here. And we're not done yet. We got another one. And we're going to paste. We're going to do the exact same thing as well. So was that one 013? Yep. So we're gonna get OF, get that code here. We're gonna wait till it loads. And guys, this project is gonna be such a power hitter. Trust me. Trust me. So we're good in here. And we're gonna add that ID number here. And we're gonna add one more. We're going to add one more. And here it is right here. 090. So we will copy this instance ID number as well. And then guys, we'll be good for our Python code here. So paste that. And guys, we're good now. We're good. We got all our instance IDs for it to be stopped. So when we run this code here, this will stop our instance. Okay, got it. So we're not done just yet. So we need to come down to configuration. So our general configuration, this is what pretty much runs our test for our code. And we also just want to run it for 3 seconds, guys. Because anything, well, you can actually max it out at 15 minutes. But guys, you're going to have an insane build. You do not want that. You do not want that. So keep it at 3 seconds. 3 to 5 seconds is really good. So now we're going to come down to triggers. We're going to add a trigger, but we just keep that in mind. We're going to add that because we're going to set this Lambda function on the schedule where it'll be able to invoke by itself by using our trigger. So we'll come down to permissions because we need our permissions. So the permission we need to add to our role is EC2 full access. So we'll come down here and click on add permissions, attach policies, and we would like to, no, not scroll down, come to search, type in EC2 full access. We'd like to add permissions. There we go. We're pretty much good here now. So we'd like to come back and refresh to make sure everything is up and running, and then it is. There you go. We're not done yet, people. We're getting close. We're getting very close. So now we need to add a trigger. We need to add a trigger, and I will show you all how to add a trigger here. So we come to our search box and type in CloudWatch, and there it goes. We'll wait till CloudWatch console uploads, and we will scroll all the way down till we find events and click on rules here. Now that we're on rules, we'd like to create a rule. So we're gonna name our rule Joe Burrow, because like I said, guys, he is the MVP of the NFL. So it's gonna be stop instance. Yep. So we're gonna run it on a scheduled time. That's what we want here. So we're gonna come down here, continue to create rule, and we're gonna put it on the fixed rate. So when we set it on the fixed rate, we're gonna do it by minutes. So we're just gonna do 1 minute just to test. So in 1 minute, this trigger will invoke our Lambda function and our instances will stop. We'll stop running. Okay, so here we go. We'd like to click next, and we'd like to select our target, which is our Lambda function. There it goes. And we'd like to select the function we just created, which is Joe Burrow. So we'd like to click on next. We'd like to click on next here because that's okay. And this pretty much give us our review and details of what we have. So everything is good here. Now we'd like to create our rule. So now when we come back to function here, I just want to show you all something. I will refresh the page. First of all, I need to deploy our code here. I need to deploy it. So always make sure you deploy your code. So we have successfully updated it. So now we're good here. So now we would like to come back. Well, we're not going to do that. We're just going to click on Event Bridge here. And now you can see our trigger has been added. So in a minute, this trigger will invoke our Lambda function and stop our running instances. Okay, so here's what our code look like here. So we're pretty good here. And now I will show you what it looks like. So we'll come to monitor, and we will wait. We will change it and go to Let's do 3 minutes. And we will wait till a minute goes by. We will just wait. We will just wait. And now we will click refresh. Give it some more time. Yep, because being patient is key, people. Being patient is key. So whenever we get an invocation, it will show up here. It will show up literally right here. And we will be good. Not just yet. Not just yet. And we can just click on it and make sure it is right. Hold on. God, I forgot how to edit it. But hey, we're going to make sure it gets up and going. So we're going to come back to monitoring. Now it's loading. God, I was making a mistake right here again. See, I had it on 3 hours, but we need it on not 3 minutes, but let's do 5 minutes. There it go. So here it goes, people. I'm sorry about that. So sorry. But here it goes. We got our invocation here for our minute. And here's what it is here. So now we're going to go check our instance and just see what it says. So as you can see, it says stop here. And we're going to check the other one as well. I think that was the same exact one. It was 0.9. No, it wasn't. So we're going to check this one as well. As you can see, it says stop. And we're going to check our last one. Oh, come on. And it says stop. So congratulations, people. We have successfully created a Lambda function to stop our running EC2 instance. So thank you all for watching and stay tuned for more.